In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to change language in Batman Arkham Origins. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to change the language of Batman Arkham Origins if you are playing through Steam, so keep that in mind. For this video, I'm gonna be showcasing how you can change the language of the game if you are playing it officially through Steam. So first, if you go to the Steam store page for the game and if you scroll down, you will find the languages options here. So as you can see, they have the game available in all of these languages: English, German, French, Italian, Korean, Spanish, Russian, Polish, and Portuguese. For all of these languages, the entirety of the interface and the subtitles will be available in these languages. However, only a select few will have full audio, so everything except Korean, Russian, and Polish. And all that you have to do to change the language through Steam is to open your library and find the game. Now, you will notice that on my account, I don't have Batman Arkham Origins, so I'm gonna demonstrate the process with another game, but you just have to follow my steps for it to work with Batman. So right-click the game. In this specific case, it would be Batman Arkham Origins for you, and go over to Properties. Immediately upon going to the Properties, under the General tab, you will find Language, and you will be able to choose from all of the officially supported languages. When you choose any of them here, you might see Steam download additional files. As you can see, there is an update queued, now that I changed the language for this game, and this refers to the language pack, but as you can see, it is super simple to download it all. And then the next time that you run the game, the language will be adjusted. You can go back to English at any time, the update will go through, and all of the interface, the subtitles, and the audio will be adjusted accordingly. You can repeat this process as many times as you wish, and to my knowledge, this is only going to work for PC, of course, because if you want to get Batman Arkham Origins on a console, you might have to change the actual language of the console, unless you are using a physical copy. In that case, it might not be possible to change the language at all. I hope I was able to help you on how to change language in Batman Arkham Origins. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching!